that moment you get that phone call, your old life is done. There is no sense to be made of that loss. So I'll tell you a few things that I've learned. And I paddle out and I'm crying. And the first wave washes over me and it washes my tears away.
Well, good afternoon and welcome to Winning the Away Game. Today we have something really special lined up for all our listeners, something I've been looking forward to for 3 weeks or 4 weeks since I spoke to Sean for the first time. We have two of the biggest legends in South African sports on here today to give us insight into what it takes to winning the away game. I'm literally getting goosebumps as I talk. I'm so excited. Welcome, Flip. Are you ready for a spectacular episode?
Justinus, as you said, two incredible legends today.